Okay, so time to adapt this. What we did before, let's now make this work instead of as an item recommender as a related items recommender, and let's do it for all items. So we can leave this connected like we did before for new items. It's not going to hurt or make a difference here for now. So let's just go ahead and run this one and go through the process. Okay, got that one working. Let's double check. So this one's different now than the item recommender because the input is only an item and there's no user needed. I forgot, I got to turn that down to 3. So let me run that one more time, and then we're going to make this a predictive experiment, and we're going to get rid of this time the donor ID and the rating instead of just the rating like we did before. All right, cool. Let's set up. Oh, no, oh gosh, I did it again. I meant to save as first. This is now a related items. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to, yeah, all right, here we go. Related items, all items. Copy that one. Okay, now let's set up the predictive web service. All right, so here's the difference with this one. Let's once again pull this down here. We still don't need our edit metadata, apply math operation, and our apply SQL. All we need here is project ID. So let's go to sum amount, group by, and donor ID. Again, I could do the same thing with the select columns pill at this point. I just have it already written, so I'm just going to go ahead and use it. Pull that one down here. All right, what else do we need? I think I'm going to continue. I'm not going to worry about pulling out the original item ID anymore. I'm just going to ignore it in the results. So let's pull the select columns down. This guy over here. Cool, this looks good. Yeah, this is really the only difference now is that I don't need anything but project ID in this list. So let's go ahead and run this, and then we'll be ready to deploy. Okay, that looks good. Let's deploy. All right, so now that we've got this ready, let's once again just go back to Visual Studio. Let's stop what we had running before. Where'd that one go? Oh well. All right, so let's go back to our page load. No. On this page, let's copy what we've got here into another one. This is now a related items recommender, and this is all items. All right, so we've got our DDL donors 3 now, DDL items 3, button related items all. And it's not going to run that on click anymore. We're going to make a new one. Label results 3. All right, synchronize. Double click to generate this. Let's go ahead. Actually, let's start up here and let's add now donors 3 to our list. And items 3. Okay. Let's copy what we've got for the previous one. Okay, let's see what we need to adjust now. Back here we need our new API key. API key goes right here. We need our new URL right here. We need to call donors 3 and items 3 now for the, oh, actually no, hold on, whoa, let me take this back. we no longer need donor ID, just project ID. So I'm actually going to get rid of this project ID all the way back to here as well. And then values, I'm going to get rid of from here to there. I think that does it. And then, but my output, it's going to return item number 1. And I don't want that. So I'm going to stick with 1, 2, 3. So again, back here, what I mean is instead of this being a user, it's going to be the input item. And it's going to return that in the first spot. And I don't want the input item. I just want the predicted 3 based on that initial input. So I'm going to leave these as 1, 2, 3 instead of 0, 1, 2. And we learned before I don't need to change any of those. Let's see here. What am I missing? Oh yeah. Instead of results 2, we're now on, where is it? Result 3. Uh-oh, it's looking like I may not have properly named it or label 3. It's giving me red underlines. Yep. Results. Oh, no S. Result 3. There we go. Those should be happy. There they are. Okay, cool. All right. I think that does it. I'm still getting items back, so all of my details are just fine. On all of those. I've probably forgotten something, but you know what? Let's just run it and find out. Oh yeah, I have. I already realized what I've forgotten. Close. Back here. I forgot this last time too. Oh, no, I didn't. I did change it. Huh, never mind. Okay. Okay, let's grab somebody different. Recommend that, and let's see what we get. Okay, hey, look, for once I got something different because now it's not using the user information. Oh, so I got to get rid of this. Hey, I don't even need donors. It's only using this project one right here. Donors is irrelevant. So let's fix that one first of all. I don't need this guy, which means I also don't need to populate it. This one right here. Okay, let's run that one more time. This time, let's pick a project down here. So that's for this project among all other projects. See, we get a lot more differentiation when we're not including user. I think the reason why is I think a bunch of our users up here were from a similar time frame, which means they were all already donating to similar projects, which is why then our recommended projects were the same for all of them. But now when we don't know who the user is, we get a bit more differentiation. And that's not necessarily a good thing. It's probably actually what we were getting up here with these, including the user, is probably more accurate. But at least we can see that nothing's broken and it is properly giving us everything different. Cool. And of course, I'd probably put something around this that says like recommended projects. You might consider these or something like that. Format it a lot nicer than what I've done here. All right, well, that's related items. In the next video, let's go and do this for unrated items.